Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure NBA 2K25 is updated and your save is backed up, since changes affect inputs. Once done, open the main settings menu and navigate into controller or gameplay options where timing assistance lives. You need to locate the excellent timing toggle. It's often nested under shot feedback or advanced shooting. Do this now. It's the first actionable step, because disabling it changes button input windows and removes our. Next, disable excellent timing directly. Find the specific excellent timing or shot timing option and switch it to OFF or manual timing. You do this because turning it off forces you to rely on visual meter cues and your button press precision, improving skill control. Once toggled, make sure to adjust related settings like shot meter visibility and aiming sensitivity so you can see the timing window and compensate for the tighter input. Save changes and exit menus to apply. To finish, boot a practice session or free throw drill and test your new timing immediately. This confirms settings applied and trains muscle memory. If shots underperform, tweak shot meter opacity, aim sensitivity, or controller dead zone to regain visual feedback and responsiveness. If the game behaves oddly after changes, restore your backed up save or revert the toggle. That fixes corruption or unintended effects. One key tip: if inputs feel laggy, check controller firmware and in-game lag compensation before blaming timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.